I think there's something wrong with my wrist. Like, it only hurts a little, but there's definitely something off about this.
Excuse me! Were you thinking of visiting ED for that pesky ailment?
What? Yeah, I guess.
Whatever for, my friend! The Fungaray Youth Space in the Rose Gardens has a health space that's open Tuesday to Saturday and happens to be completely free for those aged 12 to 24.
Well, so is ED, right?
Why, yes. But why wait in line in the emergency department when it's not an emergency? You can enjoy non-existent waiting times from a team specifically suited to treat young people like you.
Yeah, I guess that does sound good.
Besides, the hospital is so far away. What if your issue's a sore leg?
My leg's fine. Wise up and visit the health space at the Fungaray Youth Space for a free checkup, treatment, or counseling session today.